You've just joined a business opportunity. You have no idea how to post, what you're going to post, and you need help, but your sponsor has run off and joined another business. Nobody's in the upline to be able to support you or give you help. And you've got no access to done-for-you content or marketing material or any way of understanding how and what to post. Are you going to write some emails? What kind of emails do you post? You don't have any idea. What about social media? You have no idea what to post. And I've got the solution for you guys. Stay tuned, because in this video, I'm going to give you a system that's going to, within minutes, allow you to have everything that you need, regardless of whether or not you have a sponsor to support you, or if you've got anyone in the upline that's going to support you. I don't know, let's say the Facebook group of whatever business opportunity you're involved in is completely dead. And honestly, this is sometimes very common. I'm going to share with you guys a simple step, a simple framework, if you like, and an AI tool that's going to have everything that you need at your fingertips, that you can just click and grab whatever content you need, copy it down and post it whenever you need it. And it's going to be completely unique and completely in your language. And you can decide how and what to post and when to post. Let's begin. This little tool here is called Smart Copy AI Engine. Let's imagine that you've just joined a company, you're excited, you want to get started, but you have no idea what to post. Here's what you do. You just fill in the blanks, put in the company name. I'm just going to type the company name. For example, in this case, I'm going to say List Elevate. Now, you can optionally keep the company name hidden for curiosity driven, because sometimes that's what people prefer. Now, you want to put your URL in here, the URL that you're promoting. In this case, in this scenario, I'm going to just go into the back office. Now, whichever company you're promoting, you might be promoting Save Club, Live Good, or whatever business opportunity you're promoting. But I'm just going to share this page. We're going to put that into the system, put your referral link in there. And here are the things that you're going to need. Let's say you need some social posts, some email swipes, follow-up emails, welcome messages. Maybe you need some WhatsApp messages. What sort of tone? Let's have the whole lot. Curiosity driven, cold leads, warm leads, you name it. Now, here's the magic. A little guide here. We're going to communicate with ChatGPT in a way that nobody's ever told you how to communicate with. So ChatGPT has a kind of a secret hidden way that we can communicate with ChatGPT. What most people do is they think that some kind of magical text prompt is going to be the pure magic. But yes, text prompts, if you've got a really great text prompt, that's great. However, in order to take it even further, there is a kind of a language that ChatGPT fully understands better, and it's called Markdown. If you save the doc into a .md file, that's what we call a Markdown file format. Now, what is Markdown? It's a kind of a text-based, very lightweight sort of language, if you like. I mean, it's not really a language, it's pure text. But rather than feeding an AI or a ChatGPT with just pure plain text, you're not really telling it, you're not really separating it up and sort of condensing it into any kind of format. Wherever you've got sort of headlines, subheadlines, paragraphs, bullet points, and other emphasized sort of phrases and words and paragraphs and blocks, that communicates to ChatGPT in a way that really structures the text in a far better way. What we're going to do is we're going to do something really smart here, where you can click on either of these links. I'm going to use this link here. For example, if you go to the page here and you just put the URL of your landing page, let's say you've got a landing page that you're sharing out. I'm going to use this one. This is my URL. I'm going to save this. It's got plenty of information about the business opportunity. It's got testimonials. It's got details about the system. It's enough information that I need in order to feed to ChatGPT in the way that ChatGPT is going to understand it better. We just put the URL into this little tool here, paste that in there, and I'm just going to fetch data, and it turns it into the Markdown format. It tells ChatGPT where are the kind of the headlines, subheadlines on any bullet points, and it sort of structures it in a clean way that ChatGPT is going to be able to understand and read it better than plain text. What we're going to do is we're going to go back to the engine. We're going to paste that in there. We've got all that information in there. Now, in this tool, we've got everything that we need. We've got the company name. We're going to keep it curiosity driven. We've got our own URL here for what we're going to promote. You could put a lead capture page in there, or you could put a bridge page or your own landing page or whatever. This is what ChatGPT needs in order to use to link out in your posts. But when the time comes to post, you may decide you don't want to use a link or whatever. That's up to you. But And we're just going to create the content first of all. And then we just generate that. And then that creates both the text prompt itself and all the information necessary that ChatGPT is going to really understand. You just copy that to clipboard and then go over to ChatGPT. This is what it's going to pull out. We're going to open up a new ChatGPT and I'm just going to paste that in there and then boom. It's got the company name. It understands all that it needs to know. And it says and it begins immediately. It's going to give you all the information you need, social media for cold leads, warm leads. And we just wait until that's finished. But basically, guys, what I've given, the information that we've got in here is basically telling ChatGPT, keep it short, simple, keep it curiosity driven. And that's really what ChatGPT is doing. It's giving you all the information it needs. You just copy that to clipboard. My advice is to go over to Google Docs. And if you've got a Google Docs, because it's free and you can just open that up into a new spreadsheet and then just save your work. Now that you've saved that, you can come back to any time. You can create you can just delete all that if you want to, but you could even share that with your team. Now you can create as many and save as much as you need. Facebook posts, emails, email swipes, welcome aboard type various things. That's what this tool can help you with. Use it whenever you join a new company or if you just need something fresh, because people are posting all the same kind of things. Everyone's looking for a copy-paste script. Typically what then happens is that everyone ends up posting the same content. Everyone wants the same follow-up messages. That's what people ask. They join a business opportunity. The first thing they say, they go to the upline and say, have you got a script? And they give you access to the scripts, or maybe the company already has done for you scripts. And that's great. But the problem with that is that everyone's using the same content. And what that does is that everyone's then seeing the same thing. They're going to immediately prejudge and think, oh, I know all about that. I've seen that. I'm not interested, not going to join. But this will give you unique content every time. And you can just save it and have it and keep it to yourself if you want to, and let your downline use the same tool so that they can also create unique content. Basically, I think you're going to find this useful. Bookmark this prompt and hope you like it and come back to it. If you've got multiple streams of income, this is going to be very valuable. You could save all your work in your documents and have a document for however many businesses you're promoting. And then you've got social media posts, you've got emails. And if you want to create brand new ones, you can come back to the prompt generator and create brand new ones. ChatGPT will always give you unique and fresh content. Anyway, I hope this is useful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next training. Bye for now.